Welcome guys to Coach's Corner, and I want to introduce y'all to my collection of giraffes over here. Yeah, they're holding it tight down. They get to hang out in the living room without any grumpy faces around. So introduce it to guys. These are my people. These are my collection of giraffes. Welcome to Coach's Corner. That's what this is. This is Coach's Corner. This is my happy place inside the house when I'm not at the other happy place in the cockpit or situation room, whatever. Now, this is the type of place where you go take a break at and stuff. And we also do yoga stretches and stuff while we're in the happy place. Okay, so what we're going to talk about in this happy place while we're stretching, and you guys are enjoying my giraffes. We've been doing online coaching and people that invest in a premium package to get a free consultation after they review what they have to make sure that they start out with the right punches. And that's been going very well. Okay, so we're going to have a new playlist, and that playlist is going to contain what we're going to be talking about. Now, I'm going to put out a video like this, and I'm going to say, hey, we're going to be talking about the commercial thing on Wednesday. We're going to talk about it on Wednesday. And the commercial thing is commercial property tax package. I changed that package from just being the property tax package that also had the 42 USC 1983 lawsuit package in it that's facing the foreclosure part of the property tax. And then we also have this bad boy right here is part of the new upgrade to this package. A complaint for illegal property tax extortion. It's hot. And real estate deed fraud. Because the real estate deed fraud allowed them to do the property tax extortion and all of that. So we're gonna talk about that on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm gonna introduce you guys to what we're done with that pack. And I'm gonna it's already, I think it's at $600. I'm going to drop the price of it down. It won't be $99, okay? Y'all killing me right now, okay? But I'm going to drop the price of it down during the live stream. Actually, probably on Wednesday morning. I'll drop the price down Wednesday morning. Then after the stream, I'm going to put it back up where it was. So if you're interested, if you got a problem with the property situation, the property tax, this is going to be a good time for you to get in and get that package. It's already on sale. It's going to be on sale. I got to get my stretches in while we're talking, okay? I know y'all didn't. I'm on my gorilla yoga mat. Maybe they'll call me up and give me a deal. Okay, now we had a couple of cool questions that came in. One of them was, somebody asked me, who would be the buyer if the buyer of the property would be the people that purchased it during the auction? And we got to do this first. And I think I know why that question came in. I think that question came in because the property owners are learn how to jumpstart their critical thinking process and not just get stuck with the words. And so what I'm saying is the lender said they told them the lender bought the property back. And when I told them, they're like, yeah, that's exactly what they said.